approaches Polk, St. Augustine, and Trinity. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Trinity County in southeastern Texas, northwestern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, west central Polk County in southeastern Texas, east central Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sebastopol, or 21 miles southwest of Apple Springs, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Trinity, Groveton, Riverside, and Sebastopol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Polk and Trinity. You're listening to your weather